everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you with another Vita purchase. It's not sponsored or anything. I really love Vita. It's so simple, so easy. It comes to my door within the next day. It could come within 2 days, but it always comes the next day. By 1 o'clock, I have to order it before 1 o'clock in order it to come the next day. I love ordering stuff from here, especially because it comes right to my door. It comes to my apartment complex, and it really helps me just get stuff when I'm busy. It's really easy, especially if you're super busy like I am. 33 credits, not a happy time. So easy, so simple, and you save a lot of money. I probably, let's see if it says how much I saved. I saved 13 bucks with 2 discount codes that I had. As well, you just save money in general because there's a unit price and then there's the regular price. I mean, there's the price that Vita sells it, and the reason why that can happen is because it comes from they get it directly from the source, versus when you go to like the supermarket, it's coming from a third party, and that's why it's a little bit more money and this is cheaper. And that is why I love it. So let's get right into it. Let's dig in and let me show you what I got from Vita. I read that wrong. It's Right Foods from Dr. McDougall's vegan minestrone soup. I got this vegan minestrone soup just because sometimes I need something quick when I'm in between classes and stuff, and I don't got time for that. You know what I'm saying? Then I got these herb-balanced, vegan-aged, white cheddar flavored puffs. I have different brand of vegan puffs, and they are so good. So I went ahead and got these. These are vegan, gluten-free, kosher, and Earth Balance is actually the butter brand that I use. So I'm pretty sure I'll like these. I'm not gonna open the bag just because I have a couple of chips in the pantry open. Next up, I got my oats that I always get. I get gluten-free, organic Bob Red Mills oats. I have oats pretty much every morning, definitely when I'm working out. Then with my oats, I get Newman's Own raisins. They're organic raisins, peanut, tree nut, gluten, and organic. Put raisins in my oats every morning, get that extra iron. Then next up we got, let's see what's in here in this bad boy. We got a nice big bottle of Rayo's homemade marinara sauce. I really like their garlic sauce, garlic flavor. I usually buy it from Sprouts, but I found that Vita has Rayo's. They did not have the garlic, but I could just add garlic to it. This is my favorite tomato sauce. I love Rayo's homemade tomato sauce. It literally has the most minimal ingredients. I'll read them to you. Italian whole peeled tomatoes, olive oil, onion, salt, garlic, basil, black pepper, dried oregano. That is it. That's why I love it so much. Total of 3 grams of sugar. And it just really tastes so good. I love that company. I got this Parma vegan Parmesan cheese. It is dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, kosher, superfood, plant-based. I like to add this to my pasta. I also got grain-free tortilla chips. I bought Siete's brand. I love this brand so much. I love their lime flavor of chips, so I went ahead to go and try the nacho flavor, and it's avocado free, dairy free. I love the story behind this family. It's a family of 7, hence the number siete, which is 7 in Spanish. It has cassava flour. All their chips are made from cassava. Avocado oil, coconut flour, nutritional yeast, tomato powder, ground chia seeds, sea salt, citric acid, jalapeno powder, onion powder, garlic powder, serrano powder. I hope this is not too spicy because I'm not a spicy girl, but I wanted to try their flavor because they have this flavor as well. I'm obsessed with Siete's lime flavor. I have 2 bags in my pantry right now, and I also have their nacho dip in the fridge. I love this company. Next up, I got Amy's light sodium soup. This is the lentil vegetable soup. Again, I got this for a quick meal if I need it for whenever or when I'm not feeling too well. I love this lentil vegetable flavor Amy's soup. I always pick this one. I like their minestrone too, but this is my favorite. And then I also got garbanzo beans. I I got, which I already opened, this Unreal Dark Chocolate Crispy Drink. The dyes on the candy is not bad for you. I really, really love this, and this pretty much tastes similar to M&M's. Literally like what the package says, Unreal. I just tried these and they are just so good. They're vegan, and yeah. The colors are made from veggies. It tastes just like M&M's to me. This would be really good in like Easter candy or like Halloween candy for you kids. Then I also opened my favorite cookies. They're open. These are the Newman O's cream-filled chocolate cookies. It's made with organic flour, organic sugar. It is vegan. And these are like my mock Oreos, because Oreos are not that great for you. And these are the better version. Sugar is still sugar, but you gotta have some bad habits, right? Then I got these gluten-free vegan fig bars. I love fig bars. I'm not sure why I got the flavor raspberry, because that's not really a flavor that I like. And I already had one bar, and it's okay. Next time I'm gonna get strawberry, but it is dairy free, just so I have a quick snack, whether I'm working out or for class. I love snacks. I love me some snacks. Now, last stuff is not food related. It's more like beauty and cleaning products. I've been using the Andalou Naturals. I really love their body butter in the flavor roses and their shea butter flavor, or scent, not flavor, sorry. This time I got the body lotion, so I'm gonna see whether I like the body butter better or the lotion. I'm pretty sure I'll like the body butter better, but this is non-GMO, it's cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and gluten-free. From Michelle, which is one of my favorite non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free beauty brands. This is the Ultra Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum, and I get this is like my third round of this, third or fourth, I think my third. Comes in a pump. I do one pump in the morning before I put my moisturizer on, and it keeps my face healthy and hydrated and nourished. Got some cleaning products because I was on a search. I bought this Eco Cover toilet cleaner. I have their non-bleach stuff that works really well. This is plant-based ingredients, it's biodegradable. Young Living does not have a toilet cleaner. They need to get up on their game and get a toilet cleaner like this so that I can clean my toilet. I just get like really particular with certain things in cleaning in my house. Try this product out and see how it goes. And you can only order 2 at one time, which it doesn't matter because I'm sure that I'll run out of fast, but those are 2 of those. And then the last thing that I got was these Eco Cover automatic dishwasher tablets. I don't like the Young Living's dishwasher stuff because it's only powder and it just doesn't clean my dishes the right way. So I'm gonna try this out. These are pads, which are powder. It's not like this where it's compacted in a package in a tablet. It's more loose powder, and I think that might be an issue. I don't know. I'm gonna try these out and I'll let you know if I like these or not. These are, again, plant-based, clean. I really looked at both of the reviews on this, and I looked specifically that they were cruelty-free and that they were like healthy for you, like to inhale and stuff, because I'm very particular about having organic products. There were some that had not good ingredients. So I really like this brand. This is like my second go-to brand for cleaning products now versus Young Living. So I use Young Living and these products so far. And I'll say like the ingredients on the back of it, which is really, really great, because most detergents, they don't really say, I don't think they say ingredients behind them. I might be wrong, but this has water, citric acid, lauryl glucoside, which that's the only one I don't know what that is, sodium citrate, xanthan gum, and lemon fragrance, which I don't essentially know where that fragrance is coming from, but just do your own research. I just really researched this and I really just like their products. If you know a better one, let me know. That is everything I got. This was a pretty big Vita box. I think the most I've ever gotten, I'm not sure. I feel like it gets bigger every time I purchase things because I'm finding more things that I like and I'm finding more things that I use at home that Vita has, and it's really, really awesome. I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. Let me know down below. I love sharing these kind of things. I really get excited when I get this in the mail. I'm just a weird human being. All right, guys, enough of me yapping away. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye, guys. Someone left it. I find so much stuff throughout the apartment complex that people just leave behind, or they leave it by the garbage, and